Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
My teeth and molars were full of cavities, until I started to spread this week already. There was not even one. There are various aspects which contribute and define the beauty of a person. One of the most important things that attract the attention right away are the teeth. Hence, we all strive towards a perfect smile. This means that people spend a fortune on expensive products and treatments for teeth whitening. However, it is essential to maintain the oral health. Keeping the oral health is crucial because we use the teeth for a very important function. However, people often have to deal with cavities. Cavities, or commonly known as tooth decay, is a breakdown of teeth due to activities of bacteria. This common issue is quite challenging to be solved and prevented. Hence, the cavities can impact any tooth, and in some rare cases, they can trigger pain. So, all those who have suffered at least once in life know that this is something undesirable and requires an immediate solution. The treatments for treating and removing cavities are usually quite unaffordable. Luckily for us, there are natural remedies which can help with this issue. We decided to present you a powerful and effective natural technique that helps eliminate cavities. This technique requires a use of only one ingredient, which has been proven to fight cavities. Hence, coconut oil can fight the acids that cause cavities. Natural technique for fighting cavities. Ingredient: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions: first and foremost, you should apply 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in your mouth and wait for it to liquefy. However, if the oil is already dissolved, you should swish this oil for a number of minutes in your mouth. Then, spit out the coconut oil and brush your teeth as normal. This technique is commonly known as oil pulling. This simple technique provides the following benefits: cures tooth decay, eliminates bad breath, heals bleeding gums, prevents heart disease, reduces inflammation, whitens teeth, soothes throat dryness, prevents cavities, heals cracked lips, boosts immune system, improves acne, strengthens gums and jaw.